Hello everyone. Today I went to the market and bought 2 oysters. The dish I want to make today is grilled oysters with scallions. Clean the oysters and grill them on the stovetop. Add scallions, roasted peanuts, and cooking oil for grilling. Grilled oysters are so fragrant and delicious, aren't they? Let's enjoy them. I hope you have a delicious meal. Please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you.